Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to study our new chapter, that is the sweet porridge. Before reading out this new chapter, let us study the new words which have been given at the beginning of this chapter. Now, the very first word is presented. Presented means gift, gifted something. मतलब किसी को कुछ प्रस्तुत करना. The second word is porridge. That is a form of cereal boiled in water or milk. Basically, porridge is very healthy for our health. And it is basically we eat in our breakfast. Porridge, we can say in Hindi, it's the meaning is dalia, or we can say khichdi. Now, the third word is overflowing. Overflowing means flowing over the edge. Suppose this is a vessel, this is a bowl, and this is called as a edge. If your food is overflowing from this, means coming out from the edge, then it is called as the overflowing. Then hurriedly means quickly, मतलब बहुत जल्दी जल्दी. The next word is generous, means being kind and ready to share. मतलब जो selfish ना हो, बहुत दयालु हो और हर चीज अपनी शेयर करता हो. Now coming to the chapter, the sweet porridge. Once upon a time there was a little girl named Anna. एक बार की बात है, एक छोटी लड़की थी जिसका नाम एना था. She lived with her mother. वो अपनी मम्मी के साथ रहती थी. They were very poor and did not have anything to eat. वो बहुत ही poor थे, बहुत ही गरीब थे, उनके पास कुछ भी नहीं था खाने को. They survived by eating fruits from the forest. Actually वो मतलब जो fruits थे, फल थे, forest से खाते थे और उसी से वो जिंदा रहते थे. However, Anna was a good child and was always kind and helpful to everyone. लेकिन ये जो एक little girl थी एना, वो बहुत ही अच्छी थी, हमेशा दूसरों की मदद करना चाहती थी और करती भी थी. One day while Anna was in the forest collecting fruits, she met an old woman. एक दिन की बात है, जब एना जंगल में, फॉरेस्ट में थी, तो उसको एक ओल्ड वुमन मिली. This woman had special powers and knew that Anna was sick and wanted food for herself and her mother. Actually ये जो वुमन थी उसके पास कुछ स्पेशल पावर्स थी और उसे पता था कि जो एना है उसे एक्चुअली में कोई ना कोई फूड खाना, मतलब उसे फूड की ज़रूरत है और उसकी मदर को भी. She also knew that Anna was kind girl and wanted to reward her. Actually, कहीं ना कहीं उस old woman को पता था कि जो एना है वो बहुत ही kind girl है और वो कहीं ना कहीं मतलब उसे रिवार्ड करना चाहती थी. So, she presented Anna with a little pot. तो इस old woman ने एना को एक little pot दे दिया. This was a magic pot which could cook. ये एक्चुअली एक मैजिकल पॉट था जो खुद ब खुद खाना बना सकता था. The old woman told Anna the magic words. She said, "Cook, little pot, cook." While giving this pot to Anna, which can prepare the food, this old woman told the magic words, that is, "Cook, little pot, cook." Immediately the pot cooked good sweet porridge. और जैसे ही ये वर्ड्स बोले जाते थे, कुक लिटिल पॉट कुक, एक्चुअली में ये पॉट जो है वो खाना बनाने, porridge, स्वीट porridge बनाने लगता था. And when she said, "Stop little pot," it stopped cooking. It was amazing. एक्चुअली जैसे ही इससे कहा जाता है स्टॉप लिटिल पॉट, तो ये खाना बनाना, जो स्वीट पॉरेज है वो बनाना बंद कर देता. Anna was very excited indeed and thanked the old woman with a hug and a big smile. Then she took the pot home to her mother. Of course, her mother was also very happy with the magic pot. She said, now we can eat food whenever we like. Actually, जब ओल्ड वुमन ने एना को यह पॉट दिया तो एना बहुत खुश हुई और उसने उस ओल्ड वुमन को एक हग के साथ और एक बिग स्माइल के साथ थैंक यू करा और एना जो है इस पॉट को लेके घर गई और जब उसने अपनी मदर को ये सब बताया तो मदर भी बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हुई क्योंकि अब वो लोग जब चाहे खाना बना सकते थे और खा सकते थे. सो दे एट स्वीट पॉरेज एज ऑफन एज दे वांटेड और जब वो चाहते थे वो खा सकते थे. They also gave porridge to anyone who was hungry. They were generous and kind. Actually, I already told you that Anna was very kind. बहुत और selfish नहीं थी. जब भी किसी हेल्पफुल थी, केयरिंग थी, तो एना जो है या उसकी मदर एक्चुअली जब भी किसी को स्वीट पॉरेज की ज़रूरत होती थी तो वो उसे भी बना के दे देते थे जिसको जो कोई भी हंग्री होता था. One day Anna had gone out of her house for some work. एक दिन की बात है कि एना अपने घर के बाहर किसी काम से गई. Her mother became hungry and said to the pot, "Cook, little pot, cook." और उसकी मदर जो थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा हंग्री थी और वो ये उन्होंने जो है वही मैजिकल वर्ड्स जो हैं बोले. And it cooked sweet porridge as usual. और जैसे स्वीट पॉरेज जो है वो बनाते थे बिल्कुल वैसे ही एक्चुअली वो बनने लग गया. When she had eaten till she was satisfied, she wanted the pot to stop cooking, but alas, she did not know how to stop the pot from cooking. So it went on cooking more and more porridge. जब एक्चुअली उन्होंने खाना खाया लेकिन वो पोरेज जब बना रहे थे लेकिन उन्हें वो मैजिकल वर्ड्स भूल गए जिससे जो पोरेज था वो एक्चुअली बनना बंद होता था या फिर जो पॉट था वो स्टॉप कुकिंग पार्ट. एंड अलास इट्स kept on cooking the more and more porridge. The porridge was overflowing from the pot. मतलब वो pot से अब जो sweet porridge था वो overflow होने लग गया. But still went on cooking. The kitchen and the whole house was full. But what? As the porridge was cooking and cooking, actually पूरी किचन उनकी भर गई, पूरा हाउस उनका भर. The porridge soon overflowed into the next house. और इस तरीके से ये जो porridge है वो पूरे मतलब बन के दूसरे के घर में भी जाने लग गए. And then the next and gradually the whole street was covered in porridge. और इस तरीके से एक घर से दूसरे घर and finally the whole street was full of porridge. No one knew how to stop it. और किसी को नहीं पता था कि उस pot को कैसे stop करना है. At last, when only a single house was left, बस एक ही घर बचा था, Anna returned और Anna लौट आई. She looked in surprise at the streets full of porridge और वो बहुत ज़्यादा सरप्राइज हुई जब उसने देखा कि सारी स्ट्रीट्स जो हैं वो फुल हैं porridge से. Hurriedly she said, "Stop, little pot," and it stopped. और hurriedly एकदम क्विकली उसने बोला stopped, little pot stopped और वो stop हो गया. Everyone wanted to go back to their houses, so they had to eat all the porridge to make their way back home. And actually what they have to do is that they have to eat all the porridge so that they can be their way back to home. Now, what is the moral of this story? The moral of the story is that we should not become selfish. We should help others as Anna was doing it. And before starting and the second moral of the story is that before starting anything, you should know that how to finish that work. Thank you. Hope you all have enjoyed this story.